Yeah, here we do the calculation for delta, the primary, secondary, and the load. So we put the voltage, given voltage as a line voltage, put the ratio, then you put the load. The load is the resistor of the what you are supplying. So from here, step 1, you are dealing with delta connection. So we are looking for a line in the phase, primary voltage. Then the voltage is given. This one is the one that you supply with. And then because it's delta, then VP is equal to VLP. It's delta connection, so the voltage is the same as the one that is given. And then we are looking for a line in a phase, secondary voltage. The voltage is given, and it's the one from above. So for the secondary, you have to get the number of turns, which is 1.3. Then 1.73. You divide it, and then you get the phase secondary voltage. Then you're looking for the line secondary voltage, because that is delta, it's the same. Line phase voltage is the one that you got from the line phase voltage. So here you're calculating the one for the load. So because the output of the secondary just directly supply from the other one, from the secondary side to the load side, then you just take the same amount of voltage. Then because it's delta, the voltage are equal. Because it's delta, the voltage are equal. Then you use the same voltage. So now you're going to look for phase line current on the load. So we're going to use the voltage above and the load that is given there to find the current, then calculating the current. Then this is the actual current on the load that's consumed. And then you're looking for the line load current. This is the one. Then because it's directly supplying from the line load current, the secondary current is the same. And because it's delta, then you have to multiply by 4 to calculate the phase secondary current. Then continue with the phase secondary current. Now we are looking for the primary line current. Then this is the phase secondary, because we are using them. We have the ratios and the current from the phase secondary. Then we're going to substitute everything that is given, because we swap. Then now the phase primary current is this one. Then we're going to multiply by √3, which is the same as 1.73. Reason is delta. Then this is the final current. So this is the step that you have to take before you got to the answer. That's it.